Alright, so um I'm pregnant, I think. I did a pregnancy test a couple hours ago and it says I'm pregnant. And I don't know. Like I took the test about 3 days ago and it says it's negative. But then today my period is 7 days late. So I thought let me just check it again, because if not, that means something is wrong with me and I need to go to the doctor, because I just came off the depot, what do you call that, the injection thing. I don't remember what it's called now. I'll probably write it here. November. So things kind of shaky, it not really stabilized. So I was thinking that probably something was wrong, so I took it and it says positive. And I'm not excited, as you can see, but I'm also not depressed. I'm not excited because there are just things I wanted to do first. I'm not prepared right now, and I didn't want to have a next unplanned, unprepared pregnancy. But anyways, I suppose as time goes by, my feelings will change. But as of right now, I feel a little bit stressed. It's just so much is happening right now, and to add pregnancy on top of everything is just a little bit too much for me to handle right now. But if it's God's will, then hey. Anyways, I'm gonna show you the thingy. So this is the one I took, and see it has the 2 lines there. This came in a pack with 2, so I'm going to take the next one a couple days after, and if it still says, then but right now I'm not going to share this information with anybody. It's just not the right time. So yay. Alright, hey guys, so it's been a couple weeks since we found out that I was pregnant, and I just thought, since it's been a while, I would just basically give an update as to how I'm feeling and everything like that. And to be honest, I am practically still feeling the same as the previous clip that I showed you. And I don't know, it's not that I don't love the baby or anything like that. It's nothing like that, because I do. I'm about to charge. Anywho, yes. So the thing is, I don't know. It's just, I feel like it wasn't my time. And I know it probably sounds weird or anything, because everything happens for a reason. God timing is the right timing and everything like that. It's not up to us to decide when what happens or how it happens or anything. But I would love to explain why, but there are just certain things that I cannot share. But essentially, I just feel like I I feel like I have something that doesn't belong to me. Like it should have been for somebody else. I don't It's very weird, but that's how I feel, and that feeling is just always with me, like always, always, always. So I want to be excited and I want to like whatever, but it's just like it's not mine, and it's you probably don't understand, but that's how I feel, and it's depressing. And honestly, I just feel like every time that I am pregnant, there's just always something that is wrong with Amari. It was the fact that I was in church, I was just like in my second year university, I was still living with my parents, I was still dependent on my parents, and then this baby now is just like the timing just off. Like, why no? Like right now, why it couldn't be like. But anyways, I'm not ungrateful. I do know that I will love this child, but right now I'm just not excited. I haven't taken any photos with myself. I haven't, outside of like my family, I haven't told anyone except like Talia. So none of my other friends know. This video is probably going to be how you guys know, and I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Like, I'm sorry, guys, but it just I wasn't ready to share, but still not sure if I'm ready to share, and I'm not even sure I'm going to post this, but yeah. Anyways, I just wanted to basically just give like an update as to how I'm feeling and everything like that. I approximately 14 or 15 weeks. I'm not sure. And so that's the next thing I'm not even keeping up. But anyways, it's around there about 14 or 15 weeks. So basically I'll just be in the second trimester. So the first trimester was it wasn't bad, like all bad, but I was nauseous, I was vomiting and all of that jazz. Like I hate it. Like, I hate being pregnant. It is with Amari it was way worse than this. So for that I should be grateful. With Amari, oh Jesus. Every 2 seconds I vomit. Every I couldn't even be hungry. I couldn't go into any fast food place. I couldn't. It was just, it was really bad. It was really bad with Amara. I vomit on the bus. Like there's this one time I almost vomit from one woman beside me at the bus, and like, but I pray somebody just read Spanish home before the vomit coming on. I'm like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. And then as the bus reached and the lady get up, and I was like, Jesus Christ, that was embarrassing. But with this pregnancy, it's, and even though I vomit and stuff, it wasn't like really bad. I did vomit, and I didn't vomit as often as I did with Amari. And yeah, and now that I'm kind of like out of the first trimester, basically, it's not that bad. The only time I vomit is if I get too hungry. So if I don't eat on time and stuff like that, then there's a great possibility that I will throw up. But it's been getting better. With Amari, the vomiting and bad feeling and everything lasted the entire pregnancy. It stopped like when I was about 7 or 8 months, to be honest, with Amari. And so far I'm feeling better. I don't feel as sick as I was, but right now I still feel a little nauseous sometimes, most times, but I can get up and do something, as opposed to when I was in the first semester. It was just no. But yeah, that's how the sickness and everything. Yeah.
These guns.
You made guns, okay.
I made this one for you, and this one for me, this one for father.
Okay.
And come back, we show him.
Alright.
Ta-da, ta-da.
So I'm telling them that you're going to have a little brother or a sister. You're going to be a big brother.
I'm gonna be a big brother.
Yeah?
They're made of toys.
Mm-hmm.
Wax. Think we should make a big gun?
If you want.
I'm gonna take these out. Make a
Alright,
big
so,
that.
yeah, that's,
We
how
can
I'm
make a
feeling in
huge
terms of,
one look
like,
super big.
yeah, like the nausea and stuff like that. And then there's this feeling, like this taste that leaves in my mouth whenever I eat anything like this metallic nasty taste. It's not as bad now, but it makes me not want to eat anything.
Super gun!
Alright.
This super gun is strong.
It is.
And it's powerful.
Mm-hmm.
And it does press all of them.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 5,
3, 4.
6.
Anyways, yeah, Amari, I'm trying to record.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, so this metallic taste in my mouth, it's not as bad now, it's going away, so it makes me not want to,
Hey!
like, eat anything. Jaquan, stop it now.
Oh.
Yeah, so it's not as bad, so I tend to just drink a lot of water. I avoid juices and stuff like that. Amari, sit. Yeah. Can you be quiet a little bit? Or can you go in your room?
Nope.
Anyways, yes, I drink a lot of water. I have honestly not been taking like my prenatal vitamins and stuff as I should. Stop, Amari. Index and gone. Anyways, so I have not been taking like my prenatal vitamins as I should, because if you know me, you know me not like pill, and me just can't bother with pill situation. When I do remember to take them, I do, but it's not been going well. It's not been going well at all. What else? Oh, my belly's not really like showing. It depends on what I wear and everything like that. I am going to like show you in a bit, but it's not really showing, so nobody don't really, you can't right now, you cannot look and say, oh, she's pregnant or what I done, anything like that. Anything else? Complications? Not really. I was feeling some pains yesterday, like really bad. I couldn't sleep and whatnot, so I went to the doctor and he said it was round ligament pain. So he said I should take Panadol, and he wanted me to do over a next ultrasound. I don't feel like doing the ultrasound, so I haven't done it because this I can't bother. So that's not done. I have not bought the Panadol because I'm like, more pill. Anyways, the pain isn't bad now. It's I am hoping about and I'm talking to you, so that should show you. Yesterday was yeah. So I think that's it. Surprise! Yes, I'm pregnant. Anywho, yeah, I think that's it for the update for now. If you want, because well, I'll probably be the here hot and the place hot. I'm turning off the fan because I don't want the fan noise in the background. So, but it's really hot. Oh, and I should be homeschooling Amari. Like, I should have started like 2 weeks ago, but I was just feeling sick, and every time I get up I'm not feeling well and I just want to lie down. So school has been not good. Like, we haven't been doing much. So today I'm not feeling bad right now. I'm feeling kind of okay. I was feeling a little bit nauseous this morning and stuff, but I'm feeling okay now. So as soon as I finished this video, I'm going to start homeschooling with him. Just start simple and move into things, you know. I don't want to complicate things and anything like that, because I'm not sending him back to school for the rest of this term. So, and I also cannot allow him to just fall behind. So I'm going to have to push through, and whatever I'm feeling and whatever. But yeah, but I know that it's going to be difficult with homeschooling him right now, because it's been months. We haven't done anything, like, since about May, and it's September now. So it's since about May we haven't really done anything. So we're going to have to get back into the flow of things, and I know he's going to put up some resistance. So what I am going to do is just go into it easy, you know, make it fun. Do not try to bring school here, but just to do it in a way that I know that he's going to enjoy. Like, we're going to go outside and use stuff outside. We're going to do a lot of playing and stuff, because I know that way he will be interested, as opposed to if I take him and I have him sitting down in one place with the books. I know that that doesn't really work with me and Amari. It might work at school, but at home it doesn't work. So going to have to do something like that with Amari. So gonna do that when I finish this video and see how that goes. And guys, I am going to be trying to post more now. I know I said that before and everything, and Khadijah has been bothering me about it every day. She's like, I haven't seen any notification from you. Kamisha, no video. Like, okay. So I'm going to be, well, now that I'm feeling better and everything, I am going to be posting more and everything like that. Oh, as it relates to like the gender of the child, I don't know. I want it to be a boy because I want to be a boy mom, but JC wants a girl. Everybody seems to be thinking that I'm going to have a girl, and like, I wouldn't mind having a girl. It would be nice, but I'd prefer a boy, and I'm hoping for a boy. So I don't think I'll know the gender until the next about a month from now, or a little over a month before I'm going to be able to know the gender, because I think I can know the gender at about 20 weeks or 20 something weeks. So I still have a good amount of time to go before we can know the gender. Well, I think that's the time, but whenever I do know the gender, I am going to tell you. So, but I'm hoping it's a boy, because there's another boy. I don't know, I want to be a boy mom. Anywho, it has been 15 minutes already. Oh Jesus. Anyways, alright, so guys, I'd probably, if you have any questions or anything like that, leave them down in the comments and I'd answer, or I'd make another video. But yeah, pray for me, pray for my family, this unborn child, and everything like that. So until next time, bye guys.